Hey little kids, today I draw for you a very beautiful fairy. Here I draw a pencil sketch and now I am coloring it with poster color, and this is light brown color. You should watch this video at the end of if you want to know how to color it as rainbow color. Here I am using poster color for face, hands, legs and neck. Now I am using sketch pen color to make it beautiful. Here I am using purple color and light blue color for these beautiful wings. Now it's time to make the dress as rainbow color. I finished to color the dress and this beautiful fairy. Now it's time to make it as bright. If you want to know how to draw this fairy, you need to follow these steps. Here I am using marker pens for the border lines. These steps will make the fairies beautiful and bright. It will look so amazing. Wow, you can see it's looking so gorgeous and so beautiful. If you want to draw something like this, you should also follow my steps. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye little friends.